Hi, welcome back to a new video. Today I'm going to be taking you through like my meals of the day, what I eat in a day. I don't have anything planned out. I have to say, like, I have not been eating that well lately. Like, some days I eat very clean, some days I eat like shit, so we'll see how I eat today. It's gonna be just realistic. I'm just gonna see what happens. I guess because I'm filming, I'm a little bit more pressure to like eat on time and like try to eat healthy, but I'm just gonna eat whatever I feel like. So my first meal isn't really a meal. I'm gonna have a pre-workout because I'm about to go out rollerblading, and then I think I'm gonna do a quick arm day. I've not been working out that much lately just because I haven't been feeling like it, and like it's fine, but it's such nice weather. I just felt like I had to go out and rollerblade. So I texted my brother and I was like, hey, are you awake? And he was like, yeah. Why? I was like, let's go rollerblading because it's a bit more fun to go together. So I'm just gonna quickly make my pre-workout and have that, and then head out to go rollerblading. And then when I get back, I will be making my first meal of the day.
My life depends on trying to figure a scribble I could let loose, dodging the dribble that they trying to throw my way. I think I figured that them figures out to get you. Let them pull the strings that trigger what you say. Think it's difficult to get out on my brain. I wish life wasn't any other way, but it's all side roads to nowhere, and I can find a map that seemed to mark my place. My heart frigid when it's sit inside that.
As you can see, I'm sweating. Just came back. We ended up rollerblading for like almost like an hour and a half, I think. So I'm not going to do any other workouts. I'm now just going to make my protein pancakes. I've showed this in my vlog before, but I'm just going to quickly show you how to do it. I'll put the recipe in the description. And yeah, I like to have a meal that has a lot of protein in it after my workout, because like they say like within like 30 minutes or something you want to like consume enough protein or whatever. I don't know. Let me create a makeshift tripod. But usually when I make these, I eat them while I'm making them because I'm like hungry. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm not gonna have like a pretty shot of my food or anything.
That exists between our lack to say, but I always wanna spend my time with you, even when I'm walking, got no change. You still sticking here with me. Yeah, you still sticking here with me. And I just wanted to say thank you. Thank you. I'm a scrub, but you still love me. You love me. I'm a scrub, but you still love me. You love me. Even though I don't make no money, you've been there when the times get ugly. I'm a scrub, but you still love me. You love me. I'm a scrub, but you still love me. You love me. Even though I don't make no money, you've been there when the times get ugly. I'm broke. Oh wait, it's the second verse, right? I think it goes like, I've been stuck inside this pocket of debt, empty walls and stress. Gotta stop smoking this cess. I turn redundant. I'm a con, I'm ignoring myself. Can't stomach her dwelling. She steady telling me I'm the center of all my problems, but I can't complain. I ain't a man of my own. I'm 26 now home. I ain't grown, I've been wasting my way to progress, but at least I got your love on my back. You steady making me laugh. For that, I gotta thank the Lord above us, cause you make me smile when my world look gray. You make me laugh when my Santa is blue. I was low pockets in these words I make. Yeah, I'm a scrub, but at least I got you. Yeah, at least I got you. And I just wanted to say thank you. Thank you. I'm a scrub, but you still love me. You love me. I'm a scrub, but you still love me.
Okay, it's time for me to have lunch. I'm eating a little bit later because I had my breakfast quite late. But I was planning on having a smoothie for lunch and then having like an egg wrap for dinner, but my mom's actually cooking for me tonight, which I'll try to film as much as possible. I don't really know the recipe, but it's basically like a stew made out of fish with yam. But I'll show you that later. I'm gonna have an egg wrap. Basically, it's just like a wrap with 2 eggs. I used to put spinach in there, but I don't really like how it tastes, so I don't do that. I've been putting a little bit of like chicken in my wrap just to give me some extra protein. As you guys know, I've been like pescatarian and I've only been eating fish, but in my wraps I like to put like 2 slices of like chicken breast, I think that's what it's called. So yeah, I guess I'm not really that anymore, but I only eat like a little bit of it just for the protein. I know there's other sources of protein, but at the moment that's just like the easiest way for me to get it. I do eventually want to go back to being fully vegan again, but I don't think I'll be doing that until I like move out and stuff like that. But either way, And then I put 1 slice of cheese because it tastes really good, and I just have like the cheese that's like, I think like 30 plus or something. Doesn't have much fat, and like it's just like a little bit of dairy. I don't know, I like how it tastes in there. So that's what I'm gonna make. And I actually got the idea of this on TikTok. Like I saw someone make it and I was like, oh my god, I need to make that, and I like love it. I also put a little bit of sambal on the wrap, which is basically like a hot sauce type of thingy. Let's go make that. I'm very hungry.
Even though I don't make no money, you've been there when the times get ugly. I'm a scrub but you still love me, you love me. I'm a scrub but you still love me, you love me. Even though I don't make no money, you've been there when the times get ugly. And I just wanted to say thank you. Thank you. My life depends on trying to figure a scribble I could let loose, dodging the dribble that they trying to throw my way. I think I figured that them figures out to get you. Let them pull the strings that trigger what you say. Think it's difficult to get out on my brain. I wish life wasn't any other way, but it's all side roads to nowhere. And I can find a map that seemed to mark my place. My heart frigid when it sit inside that cold air that exists between our lack to say. But I always wanna spend my time with you, even when I'm walking, got no change. You still sticking here with me. Yeah, you still sticking here with me. And I just wanted to say thank you. Thank you. I'm a scrub but you.
So this is like such a quick and easy meal. Like you can get it done within 5 minutes, which I love about it. Let me grab my water real quick. And it has a lot of protein in there, which is great. As you can tell, I'm not eating my acai bowl, which I've kind of stopped eating, not because I don't like it anymore, but because it just, I love it, but it's, I don't want to eat it every day anymore because it's hard to, I don't know, like I was just eating it a lot and there's not really much protein in there, and I'm really just trying to get some protein in with like every meal. And like my acai bowl has like 11 grams of protein or something, and this has like almost 30, pretty sure, because I have my meals saved so that I can see like how much is in there. The pancakes I had this morning have about approximately 25 grams of protein. This egg wrap has like 27, so like 27 and a half. So it's really good. Yeah, just like having that, and then I'm probably just gonna have my acai bowl like every now and then. It's just like better to not have it every day. So yeah, I'm gonna go eat this now, do some work on my laptop, and then once my mom starts cooking, I will film that. I also bought some ice cream at the store earlier, so I'm probably gonna be eating that after.
Love me, even though I don't make no money. You've been there when the times get ugly. I'm a scrub but you still love me, you love me. I'm a scrub but you still love me, you love me. Even though I don't make no money, you've been there when the times get ugly. I'm broke. Oh wait, it's the second verse, right? I think it goes like, I've been stuck inside this pocket of debt, empty walls and stress. Gotta stop smoking this cess, I turn redundant. I'm I'm ignoring myself, can't stomach her dwelling. She steady telling me I'm the center of all my problems, but I can't complain, I ain't a man of my own. I'm 26 now home, I ain't grown, I've been wasting my way to progress, but at least I got your love on my back, steady making me laugh. For that, I gotta thank the Lord above us, cause you make me smile when my world look gray, you make me laugh when my center is blue. My world's low pockets in these words I make. Yeah, I'm a scrub, but at least I got you. Yeah, at least I got you. And I just wanted to say thank you. Thank you. I'm a scrub, but you still love me. You love me. I'm a scrub, but you still love me. You love me. Even though I don't make no money, you've been there when the times get ugly. I'm a scrub, but you still love me. You love me. I'm a scrub, but you still love me. You love me. Even though I don't make no money, you've been there when the times get ugly. And I just wanted to say thank you.